This is a Heathkit low voltage power supply which goes from 0.5 volts all the way up to 50 volts and has a current range from 50 milliamps all the way up to 1.5 amps. So for some time I've been facing an issue with the current regulation. So accidentally the leads had touched each other, and since then the current regulation doesn't work. So if I set this to voltage mode, and I set it to, let's say, 1.4 volts. So after setting this, so in front of me I have a battery. This is a Sanyo in a loop NIMH battery. So this is a 1.2 volt battery. So to charge this, I'm going to set this to like 1.4 volts. And let me set the current mode. So one of the things is that whenever I touch the leads, you cannot regulate the current. This is at the lowest setting. So even when this is turned, there is no regulation. It always goes to full. So if, as of now, the battery is fully charged, or like close to fully charged, that's why the current is going all the way. But if I connect a discharge battery, it would stay. There is no regulation. This doesn't make any effect. Either it goes to full or it just stays there. That's it. This is the current transistor. This might have probably been shorted out. This is a DTG600. It's a PNP transistor, germanium transistor. So this may have most likely shorted out, and that could be the reason why the regulation is off. These two transistors are for the voltage regulation. So let's change this transistor and see if it works. So before that, let's test the transistor also to see if there is any short. So I have purchased a replacement transistor. It's with me. So this is the transistor that I just removed it. You can see it is a DTG600. So this is the emitter, this is the base, the body is the collector. So I have a multimeter with me set in the continuity mode. So this should beep. So let's connect this over here and check. So first between the collector and the base, then let's try between the collector and the emitter. Between the collector and the emitter there is a short. This is why the current regulation is completely off. So let's change this and see. This is the brand new transistor. As you can see, between the collector and the emitter here, there is actually a value, and it's not short. So let's change this and try it. So now I have set the voltage again to 1.4 volts. Let's go to the current setting, the lowest, and let's try to. So this is currently in 10.4. Let's try to vary this, let's say somewhere here, and see. So you can see this is moving. Let me try to adjust it so we can see that. Sorry about it, because I'm trying to hold it with one hand. It's difficult to adjust, but yes, it's working fine now. So you can vary the current.